Wow! Oh, I can't believe I left my eye makeup on for so long. This is so annoying. Oh. Well, I have these stupid tissues.
Hi, your mom just let me in. What are you doing?
I'm trying to get off my eye makeup. It's just not working.
It just hit me. Why don't you use this?
What is it?
It's a makeup mitt.
That's very cool. How do you use it?
It says here that you just wet it with some warm water and use it like you would a face scrub.
But I don't know. Like, I only like organic stuff.
Well, it says here that it's the natural way. The organic way.
That's so cool. Oh wow, it's clearing right up.
Oh, your skin looks amazing. Can I use that just now?
Yeah, sure.
My skin is looking so dry. It's insane.
You know, I have just the thing for you. It's this Victorian Garden Day Moisturizer stuff, but it really works. It just moisturizes your skin so well. And you can use it after you use that very cool makeup mitt.
Wow, I can really feel it working. My skin feels so soft. Where can I get this from?
You can get it from the Victorian Garden website, www.victoriangarden.co.nz.